What's going on, YouTube? Draco95 here, and we are back again with a new TCG opening. What's going on, guys? How's everybody's day going? It's currently Tuesday. I want to say it's about like 1 in the afternoon right now. Feeling pretty good, man. I'm feeling pretty good, guys. How y'all doing? So, in today's video for this week, I got a special opening for you all. And oh my god, I can't believe I found this at retail price. Today's video, we're going to be opening half of the Pokemon 25th Celebrations Train-On Box Premium Collection. Guys, these things are so hard to come by, and if you could find one at retail value, pick it up, because these are like currently selling on eBay for like $300-400 bucks. And it's because it comes with a lot of stuff in it. Not really going to get into too much of what in it, because, of course, we're going to see it as we open it. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, I've upgraded the setup a little bit. So, finally got an official, Pokemon TCG playmat. Got the shiny Mega Rayquaza. Alright, guys, let's crack into this. So far, I'm really, loving Celebrations, guys. If you watched last week's video, was it last week or 2 weeks ago? I think it was, like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks ago. You can see we got the Blastoise. I pulled the Tapu Lele off camera, when I was at the store. And apparently that's one of the hardest cards to pull, so GG's on that. I got the Flying Pikachu VMAX. So the prices that were shown in the video were the prices that I seen at the time of recording, but the prices have dropped on some of these cards. Blastoise is currently not $90, I think I said it was $95. It actually dropped to like $30 now, which kind of sucks. But still, a little value. The Flying Pikachu VMAX was worth like $55. Now it dropped to like, I don't know, I think like $10. Alright. Let's open this. Some part of me was like, do you really want to open it? I was like, you know what, let's do it. So this comes with 17 celebration packs, which we are not opening all packs today in this video. We are only going to open about, I'm going to say 8 celebration packs. This also comes with, I believe, like 8 or 7 packs of like other sets. I believe it's Chill and Rain, Vivid Voltage, and Darkness Ablaze. But there's some other really cool stuff in here, which you guys got to see, which I'm so looking forward to. Alright, so let's open this. I think it's this way, right? Yep. Ooh, it's magnetic. Ooh, look at that. Try to see if I can get this whole... Oh, look at all the starters in the back. I'm trying to show you guys, all the detail on this. So this is, the ultra premium set. Really nice. So I guess you lay it out this way. I don't have enough room here for all of this. So what we're gonna do is, I already know where everything's placed at because I've seen opening videos already. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the middle drawer, which should have the metal cards, the gold cards. And yes, oh ho 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 ho, yo, look at this base set Pikachu gold card. Let me get some sleeves and top loaded ready. I said ready. Ready. Now, I'm definitely trying to have all the Kanto starters. So Blastoise, Venusaur, and of course everybody wants a Zard. Also would really like the shiny Mewtwo. That full art Zekrom, that shit's nice. I would like that too. What else is in here that's pretty cool? Oh, the Umbreon. Definitely got to get that. Shiny Magikarp. We need that too. I hope my cards fit in these, because we looked up the parameters at the store. Ooh. Dude, this actually has some weight to it, because it's made out of metal. Look at the detail on that. Ooh, look at the back. Ooh. Woo! That's pretty. And the cards fit in these sleeves, which is good. I'm trying to put this in the top loader. Even though it's metal, I still don't want it to get messed up, you know. So I have with me here 25 pack of top loaders. Looks like we're gonna have to buy some more next week. Let's put that to the side. Let's go ahead and take this Pika and set it in this top loader. I'm just gonna sleeves are a little bit longer than the top loaders, but it's alright. Still, look at that beauty. So we're gonna put you right there. Now, the other gold card that comes in this set. We got a Zard, a gold Zard. Look at the like red coloring they did on his card. Instead of Pikachu's, has like that like yellow effect. You kind of see the yellow. This has like reddish. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy in the sleeve and in the top loader also. God, this is like a really nice box so far. I'm digging the shit that's in here. So if you guys have like opened anything from Celebrations or even anything recent like Chilling Reign, comment down below like some of your favorite pulls, like any cool stuff you got out of there. Cause I know a lot of people are having a great time with this set. Alright, so we got the Zard and the top loader. I'll put that right there. And what else we got in here? Yeah, this is dope. So we got a pin, right? But it's Pikachu writing on Charizard. If I can hold it better so you guys can see. Yeah, dude, that's sick. That's really sick. Pika and Zard, you're gonna go right there. Alright. Wait, what's this? Oh yeah. Metal 25th anniversary coin. It's actually heavy too. I'm gonna leave this in here. Alright. And also, we got... These are playable. You can play them in the TCG. So, if you guys get this box, you can also add these to your decks. So right here we have... Come on, focus. There we go. We got a gold Pokeball trainer card. 25th anniversary. Just a regular card. And right here we have a Pikachu V. 25th anniversary also. Regular card. I'm probably going to go ahead and leave those in the wrapping. Oh, man. Here we are, boys and girls and whatever you define as. We have 17 packs of Celebrations. So, I'm just going to go ahead and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure we have 7 for next week. Well, not next week. We're doing something else next week. Wait. Did I count that right? Okay. So I got 9 for the next Celebrations opening video. Now, in this other drawer right here, they have given us... So we got 3 Chilling Reign packs. We have 3 Vivid Voltage packs. And we have 2 Darkness Ablaze. These will be open for next week's video, so stay tuned for that. Definitely want to get some of those alternative arts of the birds. As you can see, I already got the Articuno, which is sick. Alright, without further ado, let's pop into some packs, guys. Pack numero 1. If I could get it open. Come on. Alright. We don't need graceful openings. So we have code card for your soul. Put that to the side. First we have Dialga, Lugia, Xerneas, ooh, and a flying Pikachu V. Go ahead and speed that up. Alright, off to a pretty good start. I'm gonna put you right there. You guys can stay right here. Pack numero 2. Alright. We're gonna go boom. Code card for your soul. Focus up. Boom. So we got Cosmog, Palkia, Ho-Oh, and a Mew. Not bad, not bad. Alrighty, Shamighty. Pack numero 3. Code card for your soul. I'm already spoiled for the last card, and so are you guys if you know what's in this set. Kyogre. Okay, focus. Cosmog. Cosmoem. And the full art Red Cheeks Pikachu. It's actually pretty dope. That is actually pretty dope, guys. Go ahead and put that in the sleeve, and I'm actually going to put that in the top loader as well. Go ahead, set you right there. Alright. Pack numero 4. We have code card, focus, for your soul. Alright, so we have another Dogia. It's a Dogia, Dialga, Cosmog. Oh my god! Yo! Oh my fucking god, bro! Hold on. Let me get a sleeve in the top letter for this! Yo! Oh my god, and the last card was a Professor's Research. Nobody care about that shit. Oh my god! Yo, we got the Zord, my nigga! Ah! Holy shit. Yo, guys, what the fuck is this set? Look at this bad boy. Oh my god, yo. And the centering is really good. You might get sent it in to get graded. Yeah. I think you are. Oh my god, yo. Bro, I just pulled the fucking Zord. Hold on. You gotta come back. For your close-up. Come back for your close-up. Oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. What a way to start my day off. Oh! Oh! Let's fucking go! Ah, shit! Yo! Yeah, this is officially like my favorite fucking set. Favorite fucking set. Favorite fucking set. Favorite fucking set. I can't stop saying it, guys. Yo. That shit was crazy. Code card for your soul. Oh my god. So we got a Lagaya. We got an Yveltal. Ooh, there's something in the back there. I got a hint. I got a peeky. We got a Reshiram and a Zamazenta V. Nice. Go ahead and match my Zacian V we got in the last video. Yo, I cannot believe we just got the Zard. What the fuck? Holy shit, dude. Holy fucking shit. You guys better like, smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Oh my god, let's get this channel going. We on some fire now with the return. Oh my god. My heart is racing. There's something in the back again. Here's a cold card for your soul. We got a Ho-Oh, a Lugia, and I love how all the like normal like hollows in the set are all legendary Pokemon. That's actually like pretty dope. We got a Zekrom, and we got, look at that, Zacian V. Speaking of, I'm not gonna put this one in the top loader just because I already have one in one, so I'm gonna just leave him sleeved up and I'm gonna put him right next to the Zamazenta V. 2 packs left. Let's go, yo. I really don't care like if we get anything else or not in this video. We got the Zard, bro. Like, come on. I really don't care. Oh my god, that bad boy gonna get sent in. That bad boy is gonna get sent in. Alright. Code card for your soul. Alright. So here we go. We got Reshiram, Ho-Oh. NANI? We got the Venusaur too! Yo, let's go! Yo, I completed them, the starters! Ah! And we got a Mew! Oh my god, hold on. Yo, and the card's textured. Is the Venusaur the only, or are they all textured? No, holy shit, they're all textured. Oh my god! Yo! Oh my god, I'm so fucking hyped right now, bro! This is why we fucking open these shits, bro. This shit gives you so much joy of like the nostalgia when you were a kid. Oh my god. And now like as adults, we have like monetary value with it too. Which, if, yo, I swear to god, if I would have known how big Pokemon would have blown up, I would have never gotten rid of a lot of my old cards, bro. Like, oh, look at it. Yo, you're coming right there. Last pack. Can we have some last pack magic? We don't even need it, but can we have it? Oh! Guys, this video might be the best video on the fucking channel. Just might. Just might. Oh, something back there. Code card for your soul. We got a Palkia. We got a Ho-Oh. We got a Groudon. And a Full Art Professor's Research. Let's go! Let's fucking go! Yo! This shit was amazing! Guys. Best video on the channel? Possibly. Yo, I can't believe this happened. Oh my god. Let me get these organized real quick so I can give you guys like a little view. Guys, so we got, you know, our stack of holos right there, but we came out and we still got more packs to open 2 weeks from now. We came out with a Full Art Professor's Research, a Zacian V, a Zamazenta V, Flying Pikachu V. We got the Full Art, oh my god, the Red Cheeks Pikachu. We got the fucking Zard, and we got Venusaur, bro. Oh my god. This video, yo, today was a success, guys. Oh my god. Please comment down below what was your favorite part of this video. I know what mine was. Oh my god, guys. I am so looking forward to just the future with you all and coming back to this channel and trying to give you guys weekly uploads again. Guys, stay tuned because we're going to have more fucking fire hot shit like this. This is Draco95 signing out, and I'll see you guys next week with another freaking crazy TCG opening.